This is 5-in-1 car vacuum cleaner by Dawati. Check this out, guys. It is a car vacuum, a flashlight, air duster, air mattress pump, and comes with this little cute bag. As you guys see, it is cordless, has brushless motor, 21,000 pascals high power suction. It is lightweight, weighs only 0.75 pounds, low noise. Its battery capacity is 5,000 milliamp hours. That is about 40 minutes work time in eco mode. The link for this vacuum cleaner is right here on your screen. Click the orange card sign, it will take you to this product. If you like it, place an order, on sale right now. It's very compact, store it away anywhere you want. And it comes with this bag. Check this out. You can store it away anywhere. Door pockets, glove compartment, anywhere in the trunk.